Oh yes, Trixie, you're dancing. Wait, come over here. Come over here and walk it out. You, please. Please? I'm recording. Oh, walk it out, Carson.
I don't know.
I can't see you. It's dark.
Yeah, I don't know how to walk it out. I'm sorry.
Then do something. Do something funny. Dance. Alana, can you walk it out, please? I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Come over here in the light. I'm recording. I'm recording it as we speak.
What do you mean you're recording it?
I am recording it. See?
Can you record this?
Oh, that's just fantastic. Pick his nose. Go, Alana, go.
Yeah. Do you have
go.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, here we go.
I don't know how to walk it out.
You know what? You know what?
No, it's fine.
Look at that. Oh, the stop. There she goes. There she goes. Teach Trinity how to do it. She's dying to know. Yes. Yes, Alana. Yes. Look at her.
Wow.
Look at your phone.
Yeah.
Ghetto. Kirsten, go. Go. Do it.
We won't do this.
Whoa, she's like...
This is exactly what we do during rehearsal. We walk it out.
Yes. So what you guys do in rehearsal? Pretty much.
Wow.
Yeah, so we... You're enjoying this, aren't you?
I want to see it.
Okay, hold on, wait.